Hello, I'm just going to give you a very quick look at our brand new resource, which is called the Road to the Transfer Test Problem Solving. So this is designed to be used for the last term of Primary 5 and the beginning of Primary 6. And it's really taking children through the basic skills of problem solving, which is something that is extremely important for the transfer test. So we're building skills in Primary 5 and working towards what they need to know for the AQE and the GL tests. So the first section is addition. So you can see there's a what you need to know section. So they just practice the questions first and then they can go on to the problem solving bit. So addition with 1 step, addition with 2 steps. Then we're into subtraction. So what you need to know, so they can practice those skills first. And then we're into 1-step problem solving, 2-step problem solving, and we've got addition and subtraction with 2 steps, so slightly harder questions, really homing in on those skills. Multiplication, so they have a chance to practice the basic skills first, and then into multiplication 1 step, so 8 questions for each of the problem solving sections. Multiplication 2 steps. So I'll just quickly whiz through that. We've got division with no remainders and the problems with that. We have division with remainders, and division with remainders problems, division, addition, subtraction, 2 steps. So these are harder questions where they're getting to use all 4 operations that they've already gone through to practice those problem solving questions. We've got time duration, so the basic facts, some basic questions, and into your problems. Money problem solving. Simple fraction of, so halves, quarters, thirds, fifths, tenths, etc. Simple fraction of questions for problem solving. More complex fractions, so if your child has mastered the simple ones, they can move on to finding, for example, 3/4 or 2/5 of a number. So they can practice that first and then into the more complex problems. Then we have simple percentages, so focusing on 50%, 25% and 10% at this stage. And simple percentage problems. We have decimals, so adding and subtracting decimals and ordering decimals, and decimal problem solving. Measure using length, so centimeters and meters, and the problems. Measure using weight and volume, so grams and kilograms, litres and milliliters, and the problems. And then we have area and perimeter, so a little section on what area and perimeter are, and then 8 questions on problems for area and perimeter. After that, all the topics have been covered, there's a mixed problem solving. So there's actually 8 sheets in total where they can practice all the skills that they've just looked at in the problem solving booklet, so mixed up. So there's 8 sheets altogether. And there's also an answer booklet as well to go with this, so you don't have to sit and work out all the answers yourself. So like I said, this is really designed to help children who are at the end of Primary 5 going into Primary 6, and it's just to build their confidence in problem solving, because the transfer test and the maths in the transfer test is really geared towards problem solving skills. So they have to learn the basic facts in maths, but they also have to be able to translate those into solving a problem. And so that skill is vital. So it's really important that they become confident at that in P5 and P6, so that then when they come to do their practice papers at the end of P6 and into P7, they're used to doing it. So this booklet is designed to help you with that. So you can find it on our website, www.ontargetresources.co.uk. And at the moment, there's 20% off. The PDF for this is going to be £16 at the moment instead of £20. So I'll put up a link on the Facebook page if you would like to purchase it, and please spread the word. Thanks for listening.